Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the gaming review of Realme 11 Pro. Now this phone comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G processor with Mali G68 GPU. It's a 6nm processor which supports up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. In the display department, it comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with curved sides with 120Hz screen refresh rate. Some people might not like the curved displays as they're not that great for gaming. You might not be able to access some cornered items, but it's not really a big deal. At least on PUBG and Call of Duty, you can move controls, so it's not a major problem. By the way, this phone comes with dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, so gaming experience is really good. Audio quality is also great. Now, here's my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. There is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Before we start the gaming test, here's the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 35 degrees and on the back, I've seen a maximum of 35 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play BGMI, that's Battlegrounds Mobile India or PUBG. Now once the game is started, you can swipe on the edge to access the game assistant. Over here we have some quick shortcuts to take screenshots, record the screen, open applications in a pop-up view and more. All these features are pretty good, but there isn't anything really gaming specific offered by Realme. Now let's look at the graphics. We have HDR graphics with ultra frame rate. These are the highest graphics settings and I'll be playing the game in these settings. Now let's start the game.
Cover me! Enemy down! Reloading!
Killing spree for the red team! Killing spree for the red team!
Enemy down! Reloading! Expired!
Visuals are good, details are also pretty nice, controls were pretty smooth and there was minimal to no lag. It's been about 16 minutes since I've been playing this game, so now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees and on the back I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees. Phone feels slightly warm on the front, but that's it, no major heating issues. Before starting the game, phone had about 71% battery and right now it has 66% battery. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed about 5% of battery, which is pretty decent. Now for the heat test, I'll be taking pictures from both the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. By the way, there is still the AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is 27 degrees. Now it's been 3 minutes. On the front I've seen a maximum of 46 degrees and on the back I've seen a maximum of 44 degrees. Now the phone feels pretty hot on the front and probably because of the vegan leather on the back, it just feels warm on the back. Now I'll be using the phone for a minute to see if there is any kind of throttling going on. By the way, in these 3 minutes, I have taken 635 photos, which is a very good number. It means phone performs without any throttles or any kind of lag, even if you use it intensively and continuously, which is a pretty good thing. Now I've been using this phone for a minute and I don't find any kind of throttling going on. Everything is pretty smooth. So guys, there you have it. Gaming experience on this phone is pretty good. You can play games like Call of Duty and PUBG without any issues and there are no heating issues and no throttling either. Performance of this phone is pretty good. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video and do subscribe to our channel. See you next time.